can say we go one carnival fete.
One alone. I lost my voice. And it's still not fully back. And I barely made it. But it was a good time.
Did you show them the footage yet, or are we going to show them footage?
I haven't even started vlogging. The vlog just started right now. I didn't even say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
No, that's not how you say it.
What do I say?
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
That's how you say it. Anyway, guys, let's put this Sunday into context. It is Carnival Sunday in Jamaica. So
Indeed.
It's road march vibes, road march time.
Drop my friends down the road to get started.
We have house guests. Becky and Nolan are here, and they are heading out on the road. As I promised, I'm going to get on the road for a bit and get some footage so they can feel a little vibe, feel a little carnival vibe. And we're going to vlog the Sunday as usual. We'll just document our day as it progresses. So we'll see. We never know what this Sunday is going to entail. But let's kick it off. Alright, MTM family, you guys asked for it in the comment section for me to cover Carnival weekend. So guess what now? I said I would cover a little bit of the road march and stuff, but guess what? We are fete tonight. Big up to the Viking, Bunji Garlin, in from Trinidad. My long time brethren linked me from early in the week and said we're coming in on Friday. And big show Saturday, so we are roll out. So in sort out something, we are going to go to the show now and whole a vibe. So I'll be capturing it, I'll be covering, you know. I mean, one problem we have is that we can't really record the music because of the copyright issues that it presents when we upload on YouTube. So what I will do is just capture some sights and sounds, and anyway, I see how I can squeeze in a little live sound or whatever I go on, then I will do that. Whole heap of performers tonight. It's supposed to be a big show. Machelle Montana is tonight. I think Nyla Blackman is on tonight. Skinny Fabulous might be performing where we are going. Obviously Bunji Garlin, looking forward to that because he have the big tune. Hard fete. We're not gonna small fete. Extend my apologies. Only big fete with big flag. Yeah?
Guys, them inveigle me to go out. I don't have no voice. And look here, we're going out. Wayne, proud of yourself?
Eh?
You proud of yourself?
Proud for what?
Getting me out.
Well, I'm proud of you more than myself.
That is it. Alright, we're gonna have a good night tonight. We have some tourists in town. Becky and Nolan making this all possible, giving us the courage to leave. Alright, see you inside.
Tell you the reason why most of the people are single for 2023. Let them know why.
If you love soca, say I love soca. I've been patient and I've been waiting for me.
I'm not going no soft, let me extend my apologies on a big friend with big flag going overhead like canopy. Research, put up on your hearts, everybody goes up. Show me your heart. Show me your heart. Show me your heart. Here we are, the sound of 100,000 coming on the road. We are the vibration of the feeling in the music room.
We're gonna party all night, all night. There's the program to bring in a row. Tonight at the Murder Show. We ready for the road. We ready for the road. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready.
I am going to
Ready.
a small fete. hard set. That's what Bunji said. Let's go, you love it.
Alright guys, so have a good time. Have a good time guys.
So try a Trini snack. Yes, a Trini snack. Get in the mood.
What is it?
Trini snack, come on.
Trini snack to get in the mood. What a
Getting
thing.
me in the mood.
See the Trinidad, we didn't throw away the snacks. We have them and we'll go and bunch them and I get used to them. See them? See we'll bag them up nice and good, yeah?
Alright, so I just dropped them off. I hope that they have a good day. I don't know, the older I get, the least likely it seems like I'm ever gonna jump Carnival. But we'll see. And then last night I was like, man, this is high energy. High energy. Lots of good artists, but we did not make it all the way to the end of the show, I'm not gonna lie. But let me tell you something, Bunji Garlin, my God, what an artist. Prolific, his lyricism, his vocal delivery and tone, his ability to freestyle about anything. Honestly, it was an honor to watch him perform. He is an incredible artist. And I was saying to Wayne, he's not just one of my favorite soca artists. Like, no, he's one of my favorite artists of all time because he's just that brilliant. And watching him perform last night and work that crowd and just, you know, there's no like fanfare or it's just him in his greatness. It's really awesome. So well done, man. Like, he's really a force to be reckoned with. We left before Michelle performed. Unfortunately, I just could not hold out any longer. And these guys had to leave because they were like, man, they had to wake up so early and the show kind of ran late. So we were out of there by like 1 a.m., which is just when Michelle was going on. But I heard he was amazing too. And then another incredible artist and showman, like. So I know it was really good. Anyway, today I'm just gonna be chilling. Gonna make some Sunday dinner. And hopefully my voice will come back soon. I'm feeling okay. I do have a bit of a dry cough, but I'm feeling okay. So, alright. It's gonna be a good Sunday.
Guys, Tami and myself are stripping like some snakes. Which other animals strip them skin, shed them skin?
Which other animal gets their young?
Snake.
Change skin. Yes.
Snakes.
Well, Tami no must say what name there.
Which ones enlist their young to do it? I know I shouldn't peel it, but it's so fun.
What kind of style is?
Ozzy loves it the most.
What is that?
No, sir. I know about rumpel still in skin. I never know about rumpel peeling skin.
Ozzy's just so satisfied right now.
So satisfied.
Watch Ozzy. Full focus.
Mommy, it doesn't hurt.
No, it doesn't hurt, but it's fully gross, guys.
It's actually fully gross.
It's okay.
It's fine. Our family is our family.
Exactly. Wait, there's someone over here.
No, never say, but a bear batted me say out the door. When the little drive, I said, wow.
Atlas, you're pushing us away.
You
We
come on
can't
this side.
peel
Look.
off anything.
So tell me, what time we going on the road?
More?
About that.
We go up on a corner, man. We go up on a corner. If it's even the sunroof, man, look out there. What is it?
You should be there to take the false one and the real one.
The falls what?
The false bottom. Some are batty, you know.
Wait, saying all of them real out the road, they know.
Some of them are false batty.
Yes.
Yes. And the real
say?
one.
Not all of them make it.
Anyone where you see them a jump and you see it a go so.
That one I mean.
It a go so up down. You just
No, man, you have some real butter boy operates
What's that,
too.
real or fake?
you have some of them, some fake one.
Okay.
It round, you know.
Okay.
And I shake it, you see it a go up so we can.
Show me how them shake it.
No, I'm not show you how me shake it. I have nothing to shake. You
So
know?
then what the real one do?
The real one,
one.
height.
I think it's the other way around.
See?
Alright, okay, stop.
But you can know
Everybody
the real one, you know.
Everybody stop.
As you look, you can know the real one. The false one, you can know the
You
difference.
guys are too much.
No, it's Atlas. He's pushing me and I was
Yo, they're going psycho with
I
it.
just do anything and not fight.
No, I can do it. I can do stuff and not
No, but you guys are fighting. Listen more. I need oil?
Yes.
I didn't buy oil the other day.
Hi, Ivy. Ivy, wake up. Ivy, wake up.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Ivy, just wake up. Ivy, you going on the road, Carnival? You going to watch Carnival?
What? What? Speaking of which, it's Jasmine's birthday today. She's 17.
Jeez,
Yes, Jasmine's 17 today.
Oh, look at Tibi.
Tibi gone. And no, Tibi gone on the road.
Mommy, is she having a birthday party?
No, baby.
So guys, I'm here upstairs in the office. And guess what? We finally got a camera. We got a nice little, I mean, it's a starter camera still, no, but it's good. So I think I'm unlocking another one of my hidden talents. But it's not really so much hidden right now because, I mean, just by doing the vlog for the last 2 years, I've really gotten into like videography, and even though it's very amateur, we do what works for us, right? But I'm stepping up the game now, so I have a nice little camera here, a nice little Sony. You see me? Nothing fancy or anything, but it's amazing. It takes amazing pictures. I took a couple pictures of the kids. I thought they came out very good. It's hard to mess up those beautiful faces still, but I do my thing. So we just try to evolve and step up. You know, you go. You're in a field, might as well evolve in the field. Yeah. So that's a go on what I go on. I'm just keeping you guys updated. I know a lot of people wonder what we do, what kind of gadgets we use to shoot and stuff. You know, I'm into my drone photography and all of that, and that has been great. That has been a great experience for me learning the drone and stuff. So that I go on what I go on. Tami just called a plan a while ago, a very spontaneous plan. We're going to carry everybody out now. I think the whole of Jamaica is distracted with Carnival now, so we'll have a nice run on the road. We're going to get some food, and then we'll probably carry, I don't know if we can carry everybody out to watch Carnival. At the very least, me and Tami will go out and check out the road match at some point. So guys, since I introduced you to my new camera, might as well take some footage. I just want to see the difference with the new camera and the phone. We never really bought it to vlog or so, but I have a little vlog stick with it and I connect it up. So, you know what I'm saying? Make us sure it work out. Boozy?
Take care of the baby.
Huh?
The baby.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Checking out my new camera. What? Look who we got here. Ivy. Ivy.
Ivy.
Hi, mommy.
Ivy.
And then we'll have a little G around here. So, you good, my G?
Huh?
You good?
What do you say?
You good? Alright, I'm just testing out my new camera, you know what I'm saying?
Are you ready?
I'm trying to test out how the sound work out, how the picture work out, if it makes sense to trying to vlog with this camera. As well as the phones. We can't give up on the phones because the phones we're going to always have with us wherever we go. But this is a little bit bigger and harder to maneuver around. But it'll go on with that vibe, it'll go on with that shapes. Let's see how it look in the edit.
I ain't going to no small fete. Let me extend my apologies.
Only big feet with big overhead like canopies.
Girl shaped like triangle. I don't care if it's isosceles.
Tami, I introduced them to a new camera, so I step up in live. So I just test it out to see how the footage I gonna look.
Oh.
Immerse with or regular
We
phone
can't keep
footage.
it up. We can't keep it up.
No, we can't. I'm just testing it out.
Nice though.
Mommy, look at this.
Hi guys.
We're watching iPad together.
Oh, I bought Roonies and Jackson. Are you guys ready to go?
Yes.
Dramatis. Niceness. Niceness.
She's coming.
Niceness.
She wants
Yes,
daddy.
Bookie. Yes, Bookie. Yes, Bookie. Come, Bookie.
She might grab the strap, daddy.
So let's go, Bookie. Love you. Alright, so watch this now. How my zoom looks so?
On the road with fun, auntie.
Alright, so we link up with a couple friends. Tami's not feeling up to it, so she's at home. So I carried out the boys. But boys, listen to me now. You have to be on the best behavior. Don't play. Listen.
I'm listening.
I will take you guys home if you don't give me any problems out there. You have to stick close to me, right? No up and down, no ramping, right?
Yes.
You have to just stay close to daddy and we'll have a good time, right?
Yes.
Alright, cool. So we're good to go.
Are they driving with us?
For those who don't know, he's a friend from long years upon years. Foundation here, look, man. Before I even bust properly. That's it. Cool, man. Viking, pick up yourself, brother. Alright, keep it. Big later, yeah. Same family, we're there with the cousin them. You know that? We're there with the cousin them.
OMG, they're back. How was it? You came back for the camera?
Yeah, I brought the camera.
Nice. How was it?
That place is too inappropriate.
Gee.
Very inappropriate.
You're
There was
joking.
one girl, right? That was wearing blue. She was wearing the square things that was. She was wearing the square things that were supposed to be on her socks, but they're on her boobs, and we can see her entire boob.
Daddy.
It's carnival. They get a pass.
Daddy, did you look at inappropriate things?
Huh? Me no, I lock my eyes out.
Okay.
Everything what them saying, I don't know.
Try make sure.
Never saw me.
Try make sure. They had a good time though. Jackson.
Thankfully.
What happened?
It was so inappropriate. There were people shaking their butts.
Show me
You could
how.
see people's boobs through their clothes.
What?
And it was so inappropriate. A girl was shaking her butt on a boy.
Oh my
I know
goodness.
they kept doing that. It was so inappropriate. I shouldn't have come. I should have just listened to you.
Look here, my father and my mother used to carry me to Carnival for my small like them and nothing to do me so.
Indeed. Hold
It's
it.
a good experience, it's good for them to know. You know?
We can see her boobs.
Well, it's part of the culture. They're very energized. And now you know what it's Carnival. You've never been to see that. That's it. I thought there was just going to be a bunch of barbecue and jerk chicken. We ended up seeing it. And you? I know you love it the most.
Have you been? You are not going to the carnival. You are not going to the carnival.
What about when Ivy grew up and she wants to wear those costumes?
No.
See no one calling
We
here.
do not wear costumes that you can do.
Oh. Good job. Told you she says it.
It's the first time I ever hear her say it.
See there. Say it, Ivy. Say it.
I in her mouth.
Here you go. Josh, she didn't be telling. What you said she said with you? What did she do?
That's one man say pop out the camera. You know?
Oh no, say